Health Spa, and I'm again here with this lovely woman. And she has a problem that lots of us has as we age. We get crinkly skin under here, fine lines, wrinkles, we get some hollowness. And one of the things I love to do that's very safe, it's all natural, is to draw your blood, concentrate your platelets, and inject platelet-rich plasma under here. Except I do it even one step more. I'd make it a fibrin matrix, a gel that releases healing and growth factors for about 7 days. And it's very simple. We just slide this under the skin like this, and we just inject a little bit of this under here. You do have some puffiness for a few days, but it is all natural. And you see, now if you look at this side compared to that side, see how it's smoothed and evened that out. This will go away in 4 days, but it's gonna come back, and she's gonna build collagen and elastin with this, and it's a very natural way to treat under eye wrinkles.